maybe that'll be a surprise for you guys. So I'm going to go hit up Netscape, or rather Netscape. Wow. Anyone remember Netscape? You know what I realized? I think I'm overthinking this. I did a YouTube channel, and now here I am trying to think of a logo for my YouTube channel. You know what I find really difficult? Silver. You know what I find really difficult is when you got a lot of things on your mind and you have to do pretty much all of them. Okay, so it seems that I can't get any logo ideas that I like. Hey guys, so here I am. I'm just at work right now and I'm on my break and I'm in my Minivan Campervan conversion, which is pretty cool. I made some coffee in my little kitchenette and now I'm just sort of chilling out. Probably gonna take a little nap, but one thing I'm thinking in my mind right now is that logo and also this pretty cool light right there. Well, hello there, and today I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to be creating a logo for my channel. Probably already know all that stuff. Now, what's the other thing I actually wanted to talk to you guys about? Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, so check this out. You know how I'm trying to grow my channel. So in every video so far, I've done the boom, start the music, and then I say, please like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, or share the video. And so I'm trying to grow my channel, and as of this month in February, I've hit about 500 subscribers, which I'm really happy about. I just wanted to chime in and say thank you very much to everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it. And the comments, guys, I really appreciate the comments. It makes it so much more worthwhile to see that you guys actually like this stuff and appreciate it. And beyond that, I appreciate a lot of you. Probably more than some of you know. And when I get some good comments here and there, it's very encouraging. And I just want to say thank you very much. Oh, by the way, I'm still working on that logo. I've sort of shied away from it, but I'm still working on it. Yeah, that's how it goes. Yeah, there's a few steps involved in creating a logo. I know one of them is to get an outline of this van. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an outline of the silver cabin. So we'll just get out. Okay, just get out. Make sure I have my keys. I don't lock myself out. And here we go. I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to go over here. So there's the logo right there. Okay. Anyway, so I took a picture of my van and it looked pretty good. And I made sure that I didn't have perspective turned on, or rather I took two types of pictures, one with perspective turned on and the other one with no perspective turned on. I guess that would be orthographic. Is that correct? Yeah. Hey there. So I'm still thinking about this logo. I can't seem to get any ideas. And I thought, okay, well, how about I start off with some sketches? I think for me, the main thing is I need to define exactly what I want to do. Am I going north, south, west, or east? I think one of the first stages when you design anything, let's say a logo in this case here, is you need to define exactly what it is you're trying to accomplish, what it is you're trying to, project out there. And, for example, the Nike logo, everyone sees the Nike logo or the FedEx logo. At its inception, those logos really didn't have any value. It was just really some logo. The value was added by the things that logo represented, the things that was done to add value to that logo. So right now, whatever I make really won't have that much value. The only value it'll have is maybe subjective value, where people say, oh, that's neat, that's a cool logo. I think that would be pretty cool. So I'm going to attempt not to overthink this. I'm just going to define exactly what I want to do, and then I'm going to sketch stuff out and then start designing it. Okay, so what is this, day 3 on my attempted logo development? And the idea or rationale behind this is I want my logo to be reproducible in a tiny form. For example, maybe a little crest, or maybe the bottom right hand corner of a video screen, or maybe larger, as big as my van. So there, I'm going to have a van outline. So what exactly am I going to place there? Well, I thought, well, let's put in some buildings. No, not really. I don't want buildings. Well, how about some parks? Notice I spelled parks wrong. I spelled parks, but it's actually parks. But then I thought, wait a sec here. This logo represents where I am, but also where I want to be, right? Okay, so it seems that I can't get any logo ideas that I like. So what I like to do is I actually like to take a step back and regroup, sort of like, just like in life, sometimes you have to take a step back, regroup and reset, that kind of thing. As for me, I went for a walk. It was kind of cold outside, but I had my little hoodie. Okay, so that was always good. And, you know, at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to do a part 2, or as the French would call it, part 2, on how I'm going to be designing this logo. Well, hello there, guys. You know what I find really difficult? Silver. You know what I find really difficult is when you got a lot of things in your mind and you have to do pretty much all of them. You know what's even more difficult? Trying to film this while I try to make this. Hey guys, so here I am. I'm just at work right now and I'm on my break and I'm in my minivan camper van conversion, which is pretty cool. I made some coffee in my little kitchenette and now I'm just sort of chilling out, probably gonna take a little nap. But one thing I'm thinking in my mind right now is that logo, and also this pretty cool light right there. I did a YouTube channel and now here I am trying to think of a logo for my YouTube channel. It's weird how things work, right? Check out those lights. You know what I realize? I think I'm overthinking this. Yes, I think I am overthinking this logo thing. And I know for me, sometimes taking a step back will always help. But for some reason, this logo thing is becoming a bit of an obsession for me. Well, not sort of. It's sort of like it's kind of transient. It goes sort of like throughout the day. I'm thinking, oh, how will I design my logo? So I don't want to think about it too much. I'm sure there's a better process, but at the same time, I think part of that process involves, at least for professional logo designers, they already have a set of protocols that they go through, and if you do something enough times, you get really good at it. In repetition is the mother of retention. Repetition can sometimes, correct practice can sometimes lead to better results than someone like myself who out of the blue decided to, hey, I think I'll make a logo. Although, you know, I've made logos before in the past, but I haven't done that in a long time. So this one here is also very special to me because it is for my YouTube channel. So hey guys, so I think I have an idea for the logo, or at least a couple of them, and this is where I think I just need to start. And that's one of the hardest things sometimes is, you know, you're thinking of all these things, and in my case, I think I'm overthinking it. I think what I need to do is to just start drawing out some of the ones that I have right now. I think I showed you 2 of them. I've got a 3rd one, which I haven't shown yet, but you know, maybe that'll be a surprise for you guys. So I'm gonna go hit up Netscape, or rather Netscape. Wow, anyone remember Netscape? If you do, then you're probably pretty old. But anyway, old is fine, like fine wine, right? But I'm gonna hit up Inkscape. Okay, I got confused with the Inkscape, Netscape, you know, no-scapes, cityscapes. I sound like a Dr. Zoyce book. Well, hey guys, I'm back again. So I think so far I probably edited some of the videos so that you could see my status in terms of logo. And at this point, I don't know how long the video is going to be, but I'm trying to keep it really short. That way, I'm just trying to give you a bit more of the story. But it appears to me that we're probably going to have to do a part 3. Good morning, everybody, and well, hello there.